Hey, Tweetie here. Want to let you know that in descriptions below there's links for you to go to, and don't forget about all of our different playlists. Getting right to this teeny weeny, itsy bitsy thing, don't put all your preps in one place. You never know when a disaster is going to strike or hit your heart or your house. Your entire food storage could be wiped out in the blink of an eye. Some people need to think about what they're doing. Some of your places need to be around where you live. Some of them need to be should be put in a bug out bag. Some should be put in your vehicle or at work. If possible, keep some in a different location. Give some to your friends to put away for you so that if you needed to, you could at least go to them. Give maybe 3 meals per person, a full day's worth of groceries in a bag for each person that's in your home, and give them to someone else to keep for you, just in case. You never know what's going to happen. And so that's our big tip for this one. If you liked this tip, give us a like. If you want more of this stuff, subscribe, let us know, and that way we can let you know every time we do something. And that's it. God bless and angels all around. Bye.